Welcome everyone. Determination of the unit of Kp for the reaction 2SO2 gas plus O2 gas reversible to SO3 gas. We know that unit of Kp is equal to atmosphere to the power del N, where del N is the difference in number of moles of gaseous products and reactants. Therefore, del N is equal to 2 for the 2 moles of gaseous product SO3 minus 2 for the 2 moles of gaseous reactant SO2 minus 1 for 1 mole of gaseous reactant O2 is equal to minus 1. So, unit of Kp is equal to atmosphere to the power minus 1. Thank you for watching this video.